This week in the collection.
Welcome to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a hot new product, the 2024 Panini Totally Certified Football. This is Panini's retail debut of this product for football and is being sold exclusively at Target. Today we're going to be looking at a bunch of the blaster box products. So if you like this sort of content, like, share, and subscribe. Let's open up these packs and let's see if we hit anything real nice. This is a new product that was just released this year. Panini had previously released Totally Certified for basketball, and this is the debut for football. This is a product that's going to be an exclusive with Target, so that's the only way you could get it, or on the secondary market, of course. In my hands, I have a blaster box. Blaster boxes are retailing for $29.99, and on average, they're supposed to yield 4 parallels and 4 inserts. You can exclusively get, I believe it's the Mirror Blue out of $249, the Mirror Platinum Silver out of $125, and the Platinum Blue Camel out of $35. Exclusive to these blaster boxes. The top hit car, I believe, is 1 of 1 Mirror Black Platinum, but this set has a lot of different things to offer. The base features 100 vets, 75 rookies, 25 legends. It does have autographs, specifically of rookies. Some of the inserts are, franchise foundations, gold team, the mighty, Sunday special, on targets, totally gems. Let me see if I can read here. The other top insert that people are trying to get out of this is the Metropolis Mirror. I think, right? Metropolis Mirror. Metropolis Mirror on average. Yep, I think that's one of the top ones. So let's go through it. Let's open these blaster boxes that I have. It says here that the blaster box comes with 6 packs and 4 cards per pack. So, you're not going to get a whole lot of cards out of these blaster boxes, out of this $29.99 price point. If you like this sort of content, like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us out and helps keep the channel going and keeps the channel growing. And if you like this video, I am going to be doing an opening of the same product, but the mega boxes. And I'm also doing a video of opening the premium boxes, which is the top of the line box for this product. Something equivalent to the hobby box, but they're calling it a premium box. All right, let's get into it. First box. This has been a very popular set. People online have been very happy with the cards that they've been getting. Let's see if we have the same luck. Oh, look at that. First card. Insert. Franchise Foundations, Drake May. Wow. That's a nice looking card. Champ Bailey, DeAndre Swift, AJ Brown. These are the base cards. Very thin cards, very thin. Feel very thin. Eric Hall Jr. rookie. Kirk Cousins. Oh, they're all. Stephon Diggs. Aaron Jones. All right, on target, Xavier Worthy insert. Dan Marino Legends. Nice card, nice picture. And these are just all different orientations. George Pickens, Jamar Chase. Okay. Jordan Jefferson, showing the big guy some love. Jerzon Newton, Bijan, Derek Carr. Bo Nix portraits. This card's kind of dinged already. I didn't even ding it. Chris Johnson, another legend. Chris Godwin, Max Crosby. Man, do any of you remember? I forget what year it was, but I think it was like maybe 1 year or 2 years having Chris Johnson on your fantasy team. I mean, easy mode, right? Marvin Harrison Jr. Portrait, Spencer Rattler. Is he going to be the starter for the New Orleans Saints this year? Or is it going to be Tyler Slow? What do you guys think? Devonta Smith. Romeo Doubs. Just did a dynasty redraft. Fantasy redraft. League reset. Because someone won twice in a row. Very surprised to see how far Romeo Doubs, what round he went in. We're like in round 14 or 15 or something. That's when Romeo Doubs is being drafted. All right. Legend. Devin Hester, on target insert. Interesting. Micah Parsons. Think the Cowboys going to be better this year? Travis Kelce. Trey McBride, tight end. Trey McBride is going pretty high in fantasy right now. Tip Riemann. On target insert. Malik Neighbors. Jordan Love. Baker Mayfield. Oh, pair of quarterbacks there. Rookie portraits. Malik Neighbors. Sam Darnold with the Vikings. Cole Kmet. Saquon Barkley. Bo Nix base. Tua Tagovailoa. Najee Harris. Micah Parsons. Intriguing players insert. Dallas Turner. Bo Nix. Oh, out of a blaster. Interesting. Legend. Billy Shaw. Autograph. Not sure what they call this card. Totally certified Billy Shaw. Nice. Out of a blaster. Joe Burrow. No, if that was, someone else, I might just lose it. Jacob Cowing. Jeremiah Trotter Jr. legend. Kirk Cousins. Ramondre Stevenson. All right, third box. I'm not going to accumulate these huge stacks of cards that constantly fall over as I'm trying to record. Rome Odunze on target. I've gotten some pretty good luck with Rome Odunze this year. I hit a kaboom. Check out my videos, my prior videos to see that. Tua, James Cook. Michael Penix Jr. rookie. Franchise Foundations, Brock Bowers. Nice. Michael Pittman Jr. Terry McLaurin. Michael Pittman Jr., that's another guy that's going super late in fantasy. I get it, You're scared of Anthony Richardson throwing him the ball, but, you know, gotta pick someone, I guess. Roma Dunze, Kayvon Thibodeau, Jerry Jeudy, Deebo Samuel, who is now a Washington Redskin. There is Robinson, Bijan Robinson, Matthew Stafford, Zay Flowers. Intriguing players, Jonathan Brooks. Shame what's happening with him. He's had a lot of injuries. Oh, there's some kind of insert in here. Super thick. Tavondre Sweat. Jahmyr Gibbs. Alright, what is this insert? New generation, Ladd McConkey patch. When I was going through the 2024 Panini Absolute Football, I randomly pulled a couple Ladd McConkey patches there too. So check out those videos. Memorabilia card. Ladd McConkey, that's a nice card. On target, Ed McCaffrey Legends. Another Saquon Barkley. Jordan Love. Baker Mayfield. I think that's the second time in this video that we've pulled a Love and a Baker Mayfield back to back. Observations. Ramondre Stevenson, Sam Darnold, Cole Kmet, and portraits, JJ McCarthy, Jonathan Brooks, Najee Harris, Micah Parsons. Alright, last 3 packs of this blaster. Rome Odunze. DJ James, this is the purple parallel. Ramondre Stevenson. Joe Burrow. 2 packs left. Intriguing players, Chris Olave. Hopefully he's able to come back and be productive and have a good career. He's a really good player. Devontae Adams, Aiden O'Connell, Kirk Cousins. All right, last pack, guys. Adeza Isaac, on target Reggie Wayne Legends, Josh Jacobs, Mike Evans. All right, so that's gonna do it here. This is the auto that we pulled. Billy Shaw, Buffalo Bills legend. And then the insert. Where's the insert? Here it is. New generation, Ladd McConkey. What do you guys think? This is a pretty good haul out of 4 blaster boxes from Target. Let me know in the comments. And if you like this sort of video, like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us out. And don't forget, check out my upcoming videos. I'll be opening up like 8 mega boxes of the same product. And I think I have 4 of the premium hobby boxes. So check that out.